So, good morning. What is your name, year and course, position that you're running for, and under what slate?
Good morning. I'm Dan Ramos. I'm fourth year BS Psychology, and I'm running for the position of CSSP representative to the USC under Alianza and Buklod CSSP.
So, what do you believe should be among the top priorities of newly elected UP President Alfredo Pascual, and why? Pakilakasan yung boses.
Oh. Top priority?
Yes.
Isa na.
Well, priorities if you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
Pwede plural.
Okay. Well, bilang CSSP rep, talagang yung main concern na pina-forward ko ay syempre concern ng CSSP. Naging malaking concern naman talaga in the past few years yung issue ng tambayan at hanggang ngayon hindi pa na-resolve. So I think that's one of the main things na kailangan i-address ng UP President. At saka hindi lang naman CSSP yung nagkakaroon ng problema sa tambayan, kundi meron rin sa College of Science as well as the other colleges. So,
Yun lang po. Recently, Eastern Samar Representative Ben Everdon led his allies in Congress in fresh efforts to amend the 1987 Constitution. Given that there is already a new administration in place led by President Aquino, do you think that the charter change is warranted?
well, kailangan rin naman natin makita na na medyo may potential nga naman na mag-effect ng napakalaking change yung charter change. Pero whether it's really the appropriate time or kung yung mga provisions na gusto nilang i-change ay talagang makakapagbuti sa kasalukuyang konteksto, that remains to be seen. So as of now, medyo kailangan muna bigyan ng pansin kung ano nga ba talaga yung mga amendments na to at saka kung if it's really necessary at this time and at this context.
Last question. Kung ikaw ay magiging isang ulam, ano iyon at bakit?
Kung ako magiging isang ulam ay magiging adobo. Kasi ito ay tatak Pilipino talaga. Medyo kayumanggi ang balat at saka masarap. So, yun.
Okay na po. Is there anything else that you want to say, perhaps to the students who are gonna vote, to the people who are gonna vote?
Pwede ba mag-propa ng
Is there anything else you want to say?
Siyempre naman, bilang may bias ako, since I'm running under the blue slate, sana naman sa ngayong darating na eleksyon, bumoto tayo ng dire-diretso, vote straight Alianza, vote straight Buklod CSSP. Because especially for Buklod CSSP, 18 years na ang nasubok ang serbisyo at garantisado na patuloy-tuloy ito.
Okay na po.